Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be making Granolanut muffins, and this one is going to be quick and easy. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
For the muffins, I'll be using flour, granola, sugar, salt, buttermilk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, cinnamon, baking soda, and baking powder. Now I'm gonna line the muffin pan with liners and spray them with nonstick spray. Here I'll combine all of the dry ingredients. I'll now combine the vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and buttermilk. Now it's time to make the muffin batter by combining the dry and wet ingredients. Using a cookie scoop, I'll fill all of the liners until the mixture is all gone. I added a bit more granola to the tops of the muffins just to create a bit more interest. Then I'll bake them for about 16 to 18 minutes. So the muffins are all done. What I'm doing is testing the center with a toothpick to make sure that they're done. And how I know that is because the toothpick comes out clear. I could not find my cooling rack, so I'm just gonna lay the muffins on their sides until they're completely cooled. I decided to break one open just to show the consistency, and these muffins smell like a cinnamon roll. To take these muffins up a notch a bit, I decided to make a sweet glaze just to finish off the top. These muffins are best served warm, but they're even better the next day. If you've been enjoying the content thus far, why don't you go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!